Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show the economic calendar on MetaTrader 5. Understanding how to access and interpret the economic calendar within MetaTrader 5 can significantly enhance your trading experience, providing you with crucial insights into upcoming economic events that might impact the markets. It's a feature often overlooked by many traders, yet incredibly valuable for planning and decision-making. Instead of reacting only after a big market move has already happened, the economic calendar helps you prepare ahead of time by showing you which events may create volatility. To start, let's ensure that you have MetaTrader 5 open on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet or need assistance opening it, consult the platform's installation guide or reach out to the community for help. Once you have it running, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the general layout of the interface. You might see various charts and data windows prominently displayed, key tools we'll rely on as we navigate through this process. This quick orientation is useful because MetaTrader 5 has several sections, and knowing where each tool is located can make your trading workflow much smoother. Now, direct your attention to the lower section of the MetaTrader 5 interface. This area is known as the toolbox, a versatile component home to several essential features. Typically, it's located at the bottom of your screen and is indispensable for accessing various functions like managing trades, reviewing account history, and of course, our focus today, the economic calendar. Once you locate the toolbox, click on it to ensure it's active and visible. You might already see several tab options within the toolbox area, each serving its purpose. But today, our focus will be on the economic calendar. If the toolbox is not visible, you may need to enable it from the platform menu or use the shortcut available in MetaTrader 5, depending on your setup. Next, find and click on the Calendar tab within the toolbox. This action opens up the Economic Calendar view, presenting you with a schedule of significant financial events and reports scheduled to be released. Taking the time to explore this feature could be beneficial, as it's designed to inform you in advance about events potentially impacting the market. These can include things like GDP announcements, unemployment rates, interest rate decisions, and much more. For example, an interest rate decision may affect currency pairs, while employment data can create strong movement in markets connected to that country's economy. When you first access the calendar, you will see a list organized by date and time, detailing myriad events from various countries. Pay attention to the color-coded system or icons, as these often indicate the expected impact of each event, ranging from low to high. High-impact events are particularly noteworthy, as they tend to result in increased market volatility. This means price may move faster than usual, spreads may widen, and trade entries or exits can become more sensitive around the time of the news release. Leveraging this information effectively can provide you, as a trader, with a competitive edge. By anticipating changes, you can time your trades better and plan your strategy while mitigating potential risks. Some traders even use it to decide whether they should enter a trade before a major event, wait until the news has passed, or simply avoid trading during highly volatile periods. The key is not just to look at the event itself, but to understand how it may affect the market you are trading, and then adjust your plan accordingly.